Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I bought it, I have it. Let's rate it 1 through 10. Now I hear it jingling in here, my little Keith Lee moment. But if you guys saw the video that I uploaded talking about new fragrances that were coming out, I mentioned how I was waiting on a package of perfume to be delivered that day so I could include it in the video and just make life easier. But of course, it wanted to take its time getting over here. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Allyiahsface collaboration with Dossier, this is what we're going to do today. I only picked up, if you guys didn't know, Allyiahsface, YouTube's own, had a collaboration with Dossier. Love that for her. She came out with 2 fragrances. The other one is, let me pull it up. Better Days is the other one. It has more of a white packaging, supposed to be like a more daytime. The only reason I didn't pick that one up is because I was listening to her explain the, the vibe that it gives and the notes and stuff like that. And when she said clean, I was like, it's probably not for me. Y'all know I'm not really like a clean fragrance type of girl. I just feel like a lot of them end up smelling like woods outside type of scent. And the other one is Of the Hour that has the black packaging. It's supposed to be more of like the nighttime feisty one. So let me see, should I read the notes or see what it looks like first? Let's open it up first and then see what it says on the inside. So you smell intoxicating. That is what the fragrance looks like. What does this say? I created Of the Hour to tap into our inner, unapproachable, dark, feminine energy. This scent makes me feel like the sexiest woman alive while turning every head in its tracks. It's a scent that lingers and captivates. They'll never forget you when you're wearing this. On the other side, about this perfume. Step out for a sexy night on the town with this alluring and elegant fragrance to look good, feel good, and smell good until the sun comes up. Of the Hour embodies cosmopolitan glamour with a deep, moody, and slightly masculine edge. This scent features notes of cedarwood, suede, and tonka bean with hints of spices and sweetness for a balanced finish. Embrace your spot on the fragrance VIP list with this city glamour bottled. Notes, top notes, almond, coconut, pink pepper, chamomile, bergamot. Middle notes, orange flower, white flowers, white woods, cedarwood. Base notes, suede, vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, and cistus. Scent family is warm. I haven't tried that many fragrances that have suede in them. There is a Kayali one. I think it was the one that was supposed to be like the wedding theme campaign that she came out with. I believe that one has suede as a note. And there was like one other one. So I'm excited on this because I actually like that. And I feel like it kind of gives that, sexy, dark, feminine type energy. I also, now that I think about it and I'm reading the description and stuff like that, it gives New York City. If you guys didn't know, she moved to New York City. Like both of them give New York City, but like in 2 different ways. You can get that like night culture of New York City with this one, and obviously daytime, just walking around Manhattan with the other one. So let's go ahead, pull this out and see what she's giving. I didn't tell you the price. Hold on. Very cute packaging, very simple, clean aesthetic. These retail for $49 and they're both sold out. Again, love that for her. $49 for a fragrance, definitely more on the affordable side. So love a hoochie that keeps the hoochie's pockets in mind. Let's see. In the air? Let's see in the air first. And I immediately smell vanilla and suede. Tickled my nose. Wait a minute. Hold on. It's giving grown. It's giving, I'm really smelling suede. Is that tonka bean? It's like the notes are hitting you at different times, but that is giving grown. This is grown folks business. Definitely not. I mean, you could do it during the daytime, but I don't think you should. It's a little much for day. Now let's see how my skin, missed my wrist, how my skin reacts to this. I'm getting vanilla and tonka bean first on my body. Is that pink pepper? Is that the pink pepper? Now I'm getting suede. Wait a minute. Baby, when I tell you grown, just giving grown. That might. Oh, okay. Y'all know how I be telling you Kayali is pretty on with their descriptions. That was very accurate of a description. Dark feminine energy. When I be talking about the fragrances that give like that dark sexy vibe, that's what I mean. That dark but still feminine type energy. That's that type of seductive type of scent. Wait a minute. Listen, fragrances that have notes of like suede and oud, they just add in that little spicy oomph. Like, I don't think nobody wants actual spicy type fragrances, right? Like not food type spicy, but like those notes add a spiciness to fragrances where it just gives sexy. And sometimes I'll have it where like the air, the way it smells in the air actually will smell the exact same how it smells on my body. That's why you need to try it like both ways, because you might like how it smells in the air. Then you put it on your body and you're like, I don't know about all that. But I feel like it's the same for me. And that's I'm trying to think. If there was something that I mean, it's pretty spot on. Like suede. It smells like suede vanilla. And then you get the other little hints of sweetness in there. So if you're like a gourmand type girly, if you like just straight up vanilla, straight up sweet, cutesy sweet, I don't know, like a Moschino type sweet or stuff like that, I don't know if this is for you, right? Like if you're a citrus kind of girl, or those like candy, lollipops, marshmallows type of fragrances, I don't know if this is for you. If you like those, but like a more grown version because of the suede and stuff like that, then I think that you'll like this. If you're a woodsy type of person, I think you'll like this. I'm trying to think of other floral people. Maybe. You gonna have to test it out and see for yourself if you're more of a floral type of girly, because it's not giving that, at least not to me. Are there any other families? This is going up there with I Am Her for that type of like sexy nighttime fragrance. Like I said, this is a grown fragrance. This is date night. This is girls night out. This is you want to turn heads. This is you want people to look at you, and you want people to look at you like the sexy being that you are as soon as you walk into the room. But that's the best way that I can describe it. It is a like suede vanilla with a little underlying gourmand in there, but like that's, at least me, that's the main thing that you get when you smell this. I don't know, y'all. I might have to circle back and get better well, when it restocks. It's just the description of it, especially now seeing that her description and the description on the website, stuff like that, was pretty spot on with this one. I feel like it'll be pretty spot on with that one. And like I said, I'm not the outdoor woodsy citrus whatever type smelling type of girl, but you never know. And I mean, it's only $49, but of the hour, she's of the hour, she's of the night. Not so much lady of the night, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. I am here for this one. This is going right up there for my fall fragrances. This is gonna be a really good fall fragrance. This is gonna be fall, winter, maybe not so much nighttime during the spring, but summer, all of that. Right there with I Am Her. The one that I mentioned from Kayali, from the wedding collection. Anything else? Those three. I would put those three in the same family, the same category. All right, y'all. So that is it for this video. Very quick first impressions, my thoughts on this one fragrance. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up either one, what your thoughts are, if you plan to, if you missed the launch, because baby, when I was not playing. Let me know all of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.